Hello and welcome to today's video. I hope that you are having a wonderful day. In today's video, we shall be showing you how to fix an issue that stops you from watching the UK TV catch-up apps on a Firestick when you are outside the UK. To watch the UK TV catch-up apps such as BBC iPlayer, ITVX, and Channel 4 when you are outside the UK, you need to use a VPN, a virtual private network. This effectively hides the fact that you are trying to access UK-only online content from outside the UK. But even with a VPN installed on your Firestick, you may still see an error message, and the content is blocked from being watched. The error message is saying that the app is still thinking that you are outside the UK, hence why the content is still blocked. But there is one simple method that could solve this problem and enable you to watch the blocked content again. On your Firestick, you will need to go into the Preferences options. From the options available, go to the time zone setting. You will need to change the time zone to a UK time zone, in this case, British Summer Time. Once the time zone has been set, then the previously blocked content should now be available for you to watch, assuming that your VPN service is able to unlock the content. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button to make sure you don't miss any future videos. Until next time, happy viewing.